Hello, kiddos. I hope you had a nice Memorial Day weekend if you're listening to this on Tuesday morning. Um, if you're checking in before the weekend, I hope you have a great weekend. So let's take a look at what we'll be doing in math this week. First of all, because of the holiday, um, this work week starts Tuesday the 26th and runs to Friday the 29th. Okay. Um, You do have 3 modules, again, to complete this week. However, just like last week, we shortened the length of them and the time it should take you to complete them since it is a holiday week, okay? These modules are due by 3:30 on Friday. Okay, we're back to Fridays. And I'll post the next week on Friday the 29th for you, all right? So let's take a look at what we're going to be doing this week. We're moving on to chapter 7. And chapter 7 is all about line plots and data and coordinate grids. So we're going to start module 1 with prior knowledge, seeing what you remember. Okay, and the idea, your I can statement, the chapter objective is I can make and interpret line plots with fractional data. And I can use fractions and their operations to solve problems using data. So you will be adding, subtracting, and possibly multiplying fractions and mixed numbers in this chapter. So in Module 1, we're going to review that, okay? You're going to click down here, and that will take you right to your Nearpod for Module 1. For Module 2, I see the 7's missing here. It's still Chapter 7, Module 2 you're going to be working on. Again, objectives are the same. You're going to be looking at interpreting line plots with fractional data and solving problems, questions looking at the data. That's going to take you to Nearpod Chapter 7, Module 2. And then our third module, you're going to be actually plotting data on the X and Y axis, and you'll be answering questions from analyzing data in frequency tables, line plots, and that's about it, I think, for Module 3. Okay. Over here, if you're finding you need a little extra support, I have 2 links to Khan Academy, ways of representing data here, and frequency tables and line plots is here. They're 2 different videos from Saul. He does, I love him. He does a great job explaining things and visualizing it for you. And I also left the complex rectangular figures down here for finding the volume in case you still want to brush up on that. Okay. Again, this is just a guide to help you manage when you get your lessons done. It's totally up to you what days you do it, how you do it. Please just remember to submit your work in Nearpod and to submit your assignment or turn it in on the classroom assignment section. Okay. If you need to come back and revisit our overview for the week and hear my lovely voice, you want to click right here. Okay. We still have our reflect days built in, although I don't have them numbered. And also, if you have questions and need some help, we won't have a Zoom meeting on Monday because it's a holiday, but we will have one on Wednesday at 2:30. Okay, so we'll be reviewing probably most of this information that you've done in the 3 modules. Okay, and as always, there's extras down here. And I guess that is about it. Again, if you have questions or problems accessing the modules, please message me, let me know. And I will see you at the Zoom on Wednesday at 2:30. Thanks, guys.